You sure you want to do this?
Heck yeah, I want to do this.
I thought the season was over.
No, come on, we got one more race in us.
One more, let's go. Here we are. Hey, Fleming, mailman. Look at that surprise. We've got just one more for you.
Alright, here we are. Milton Speedway, where A. Fleming hasn't been beat by the mailman yet, but he's going down tonight.
We got Pop's car here. Too bad. I don't know why we're doing this. I ain't racing.
Yeah, come on.
Oop. What happened? Ah, there it is.
Yeah.
We're over here in the snakes and alligators. It's dark. I think some of the lights. And here you go. We would have had Brett here with us for K9. K9's just me and the mailman tonight. There you go, 8-volt light. There's the Falcon. There's the Pony Express. So we're here. I don't know what happened. I think some of these lights have cut off.
Parked out here where there ain't no light.
We parked out here where there's no light. So, what's going on tonight?
We gonna race. It's run what you brung night. So look here, there ain't no cheating tonight. Anybody can bring whatever they want.
We bring what we run every time. This
and
is
we
what
gonna bring what we run every time.
Every time.
So we got some big old motors over here tonight with some fast cars, and we're gonna see what this little old Pony Express can do. This old stalker.
All right. And we of course have the Falcon. Hasn't been here out on the track a lot this year, but it has a pretty good record so far. But probably won't happen tonight. Like I said, this is some big wigs here. We've got some people from Dothan. I think the Hunter Worley's over there. The one car, Alex Berry, Gary Watson, and a K-swapped hatchback. I don't want to say we're out of our league, but we're definitely on the bench, on the field. So
we're going against some big boys tonight. We're gonna just see what we can do.
Video's gonna lack just a little bit, not really, because I'm still in it. I'm not sure about that. I'll tell you in just a second. But we don't have a videographer tonight. Kevin is at home, works later today. Brett was at work. It was one of our sponsors, St. Elmo Feed and Seed, helping them out, and Scholar's at vacation. I guess we don't have nothing really to do but race. So we will probably give you a lot of in-car camera, but if you were on the sponsorship group,
Brianna's working.
Yeah, Brianna, if you're on the sponsorship group, I'm gonna have a live video inside the car.
Travis ain't here.
Travis is gonna be late. All right, here we go. was the in cars. Once again, sorry about not having the somebody to video tonight. Like I said, if you're on our sponsorship group, let me show you what I had going on here. Now, what I was saying was, if you were on our sponsorship group, you would see this contraption. A phone zip tied all the way down, like so. And that's where we have the live video. So, that's where the live videos are. And y'all can able to see that. So, let me set this. Now, I got first. I was able to pull first off in the heat. But the 1G was coming. He's got a lot of motor in that one and very good car, well-built car. I like how I look at it. Pops got he made his way through and got up to third. And he got into who did you get into? The number one a little bit. He went over there and apologized and gave him a little check, I think. I'm not sure. So
Yeah.
what did you think here?
Well, I got a bad start. I didn't want to run over somebody, but I had to check off. Everybody went around me. I finally got it going. Got around the 117, then I got around the 1. And I got a great run and just took it to the bottom. And I had the car cranked all the way to the left and was on the brake. And still got up and rubbed him, and I don't like doing that.
All right.
We finished third behind Gary and eighth win.
Boy, Fleming. I am up here at the top of the nosebleed. Showing you, I wish I had a view of this. All right. But try our best next time not to not have somebody. Okay. So, starting on the pole. What a handful of those wanting my spot. So we're gonna get you a few shots of this the late model race. So let's get to it.
The baddest boys, the biggest boys, the premier series of us now. They are your Southern All-Star Super Late Model.
Jesse with a hump in front getting a tire change. Super late model race is over. I don't know who won, but or well. I think that got in. One more race and then it's us. So here we go. somebody flipped. I think it was Alex. It was Alex Berry. I thought it was Gary Watson, but I see that he's behind us. So, Gary smoked me, bro.
Dude, man, you was like the whole time.
God dang.
That's the best my car's done. My car's done good.
What is up, guys? So 3rd and 4th, pretty good for a surprise race over at Southern Raceway over in Hunt the Front territory. Very proud of the guys. Austin was a little frustrated there at the end. He did not know they were going back green on that last lap there. And on Hunter Worley, Mr. Restart, man, he is awesome. He's the same guy who got Dad at Deep South on that last lap shootout. He's just phenomenal on a start. So he got Austin there. So he'll come back with a 3rd, 4th. But I think that's pretty good for a pop-up race over at Southern Raceway. So proud of the guys. I've been on vacation up in Minnesota for the last 2 weeks. So I appreciate you guys sticking it out with this short little bit of break. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving, and I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. We have another Pure Stock video coming out soon, as well as another EG build on our SCDRA video, so you guys be on the lookout for that. If you are interested in our sponsorship group, like I mentioned in the video, it resets January 1st. It is a one-time fee of $50, and you have that private sponsorship group on Facebook where you get all of our live feeds from the races in real time, and also a bunch of the behind the scenes stuff that you don't actually see on this channel. So if you are interested in that, shoot us a message. The email is in the description down below. We also have our Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok that you can stay connected to us there. So again, thank you guys for hanging out. What an incredible season as we wrap up 2023. We pray that you guys have had a great season like us. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.